Welcome everybody to Mila's Budgeting, where I show you my budgeting journey using cash stuffings and savings challenges. Today, I'm going to be stuffing my savings challenges using my third paycheck of September, which would be considered my first budgeting for October. So, today I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. 130, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 305, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Oh my god, 100, 300. Ah, they're so sticky in the bag. Ugh. And technically this budgeting was supposed to be for $205, but since I think I explained it in my last video that I was gonna pay off my Amazon debt using my savings account, so I did that, and now that kind of free up money so I can be able to put here. So and then the next paycheck, that's when the PayPal and the Lightstream loan is gonna kick in. So all right, so today we're gonna do the multiplier savings challenge, which is by Taylor's Budget, and today we're gonna be stuffing $32. I'm doing really good in terms of not going into these and like what do you call it, minimizing them, like using bigger denominations. I'm trying my best not to do that, so when I actually count it, it's it's the actual money that I put in, not not anything changed. So we are going to color. So next week we're going to be coloring. It's gonna be we're gonna multiplying 4 times 12, 48. So $48 the next paycheck, because I'm not doing the 11. So next is our roll a dice foot challenge. Do I want to put more into wedding and less in here, or more in here and less in the wedding? So I'll just go with this. So 4 times 6 is 24. So we'll do 25. Yeah, let's put more in the wedding. Well, not the wedding challenge, is the 100 envelope challenge. So here we're going to color, not red, not purple, not green. Let's see, yellow. All right. So for the 100 envelope challenge, let's just move things out the way. Now we're gonna pick, and we're gonna start off with $90. Okay, guys, so I have to hurry up because I have 2 young kids and a 2-year-old, and now they're going crazy. So we have 19, 34, 90. Yeah. And we actually are taking out, I cannot believe I got that number. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So 100, then 90, um 34, and 19. And that's what we have now. Well, I have now. I keep saying we. Okay. And we're going to put this in the back. Okay. So 19. I don't want to do red. Whatever. Blue. And then 34. I'll do red for that one. For 90, this looks like a red area too. And then for 100, I like this green color. I don't like this green color. It's mad dark. This is going to be coming out much lighter. But whatever. This is what we have. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video on my savings challenge stuffing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.